Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video we will learn about the sets, another built-in data type in Python. So what are sets? It is used to store multiple items in a single variable. It is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed. Those set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items, and sets are returned with curly brackets. For example, my set is equals to xyz. In sets, duplicates are not allowed. Let's see how to access the items from the set. Since sets are unchangeable, unordered and unindexed, you cannot access items in a set by referring to an index or a key. But you can loop through the set items using a for loop, or ask if a specified value is present in a set by using the in keyword. For example, my set is equals to ABC. For x in my set, print of x. Now if we compile this, we get the output as CBA. And if you want to check the particular item is present or not, then just make use of not in keyword in print statement. That is, my set is equals to ABC, then print of B not in my set. Now if we compile this, we get the output as false. This pattern of code returns boolean values as output. Next, how to add set items. Once set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. To add set items, just use add method. For example, my set is equals to ABC, then my set dot add of D, then print of my set. Now if we compile this, we get the output as ADCB. Now how to add the items from another set? It's easy. Make use of update method. For example, my set is equals to ABC, then set2 is equals to DEF, then my set dot update of set2, then print of my set. Now if we compile this, we get the output as ECFBDA. The interesting part of this code is the object in update method does not have to be a set. It can be any iterable object such as tuple, list, dictionaries and more. For example, my set is equals to ABC, then T2 is equals to consider a list D and E, then my set dot update of D2, then print of my set. Now if we compile this, we get the output as EBCAFD. Next, let us see how to remove set items. To remove an item in a set, we use the remove, discard, pop and clear method. For example, my set is equals to A, B, C, D, then my set dot remove of D, then print of my set. Now if we compile this, we get the output as A, B, C. Similarly, you can make use of other methods. Moving on, let us see how we can join sets. There are several ways to join sets, such as union and update method, which joins all items from both sets. The next is intersection method, which keeps only the duplicates. Then we have difference method. This method keeps the items from the first set that are not in the other sets. Then lastly, we have symmetric difference. This method keeps all items except the duplicates. So let's see each and every method with examples. First, let us see union method. This method returns a new set with all items from both sets. For example, S1 is equals to ABC, then S2 is equals to 1, 2, 3, then S3 is equals to S1 dot union of S2, then print of S3. Similarly, the update method is used. The union and update method excludes the duplicates and returns a new set. Now if we compile this, we get the output as 1, 2, 3, CBA. Next we have intersection method. It keeps only the duplicates. You can type intersection method in code, or instead you can make use of AND operator. For example, S1 is equals to ABCD, S2 is equals to DFGH, then S3 is equals to S1 and S2, then print of S3. Now if we compile this, we get the output as D. Next, moving on to difference method. This returns only the items from first set which are not present in the other set. For example, S1 is equals to A, B, C, D, then S2 is equals to A, D, E, F, then S3 is equals to S1 dot difference of S2, then print of S3. Now if we compile this, we get the output as C, B. Instead of difference, you can make use of minus operator, and this method only allows you to join sets with sets and not with other data types. But if you are typing difference method in code instead of minus operator, then you can allow other data types. Next we have symmetric difference. This method will keep only the elements that are not present in both sets. For example, S1 is equals to A, B, C, D, then S2 is equals to E, F, G, A, then S3 is equals to S1 power of S2, print of S3. Now if we compile this, we get the output as B, E, F, G, D, C. So in this video we did learn about sets, how to access set items, how to add, remove and join set items. So this was all about sets and method used. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates.